irathi na mbere guthakirwo kiharo-ini gia Sigona. Mundu gwetwo Snow Aremathiire points magana Meeri ma Ithathatu.
Got off to a good start on the front nine. I thought there was a low score out there today, but in general I played well the first 9 holes. I felt like I left a few shots out there on the back 9, but in terms of that, it's a solid round, yes. No, I just had to change a few things with my swing. Got a new golf coach, but in terms of that, I think things are working now, and I'm in a good place. Working with Johnny Lim, I've been working with him for the last couple of months, and things are paying off. Yeah, I just got to stay patient, do what I'm doing right now. Hit fairway greens, give myself as many chances as possible. Let's see what happens.